Morelli Vitamin C Serum for face and eye is a potent, fast-absorbing serum that can be used on a daily basis. This serum is ideal for anyone experiencing the signs of aging, anyone looking to prevent the signs of aging, treating hyperpigmentation, and improving the overall health of the skin. This oil-free formulation is safe to use on all skin types, skin conditions, and ages. The key active ingredients found in Morelli Vitamin C Serum are ascorbyl glucoside, which is a stable form of vitamin C that's easily absorbed by the skin. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that works to protect the skin against environmental aggressors. It can help to lighten hyperpigmentation and prevent the formation of new hyperpigmentation. It also works to stimulate collagen. Matrixyl. This stimulates collagen and elastin, firms and tightens the skin, and can also stimulate hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C serum should be the first product applied in the morning after cleansing. Dispense 1 pump to the palm of your hand and gently massage over the face. Be sure to apply around the eye area and to include the neck. Allow this product to fully absorb before layering on any other product. Follow with Morelli Moisturizer or SPF.